I want to show you how you can use LLMs in your Wondernode workflows and how you can use batch generation to get a variety of images all in one go. So here in this canvas, I have an image that I've generated previously with Nano Banana. It's an image of an influencer that I'm building, an AI influencer. And I'm going to use the generate text node. Now, generate text node can actually receive some images and can inspect them and generate text based on those images. So I'm going to connect my influencer avatar into the images widget, and I'm going to paste in my prompt. The prompt is basically saying that this is a Instagram influencer, and we want the LLM to write a prompt for an Instagram post by this influencer. And the LLM will have some liberty to decide if these posts are going to be in a nightlife environment or a nature scene or whatever it may be. Now, I've kind of written the prompt here for demonstration purposes, but if you're building an AI avatar or you have your own project, you can kind of constrain the freedoms that the LLM has or give it more freedoms. I will pick Gemini 2.5 Flash, and I'm going to use this batch counter here just for demonstration purposes. I'm going to set it to 2, so that way we get 2 different prompts in one go. So let's go ahead and hit that. And there we go. So I have 2 different prompts here. Now I want to generate the images for my influencer. So I'm going to drop in an image editor node. I will connect my images. No, I will connect my avatar image, and I will connect the prompts that my LLM generated here. And now, because I have 2 prompts over here, and they're both connected to this prompt input, when I hit run, I'm actually going to get 2 different results coming out. So let me choose my model. I will choose Nano Banana 2 because it's the latest, and I'll hit run. So there we go. Can make this bigger. So that's my first image, and that's my second image. I can look at them in a grid. And that's how easy it is to use LLMs in your workflows and generate multiple images all in one go.